Let me show you the easiest way to push your code to GitHub. What you need to do is to log into github.com, as you can see. So click on this icon at the right, then go to repository, click on repositories. So it shows if you already have some repositories created, they'll be here. But even if you don't have, no problem. So just click on new. So after clicking on new, you have this page. Give the repository a name. So in this case, I'm giving it SMS app. Then nothing else, just leave everything the way it is, then click on create repository. So after doing that, it shows you this page. The next thing you need to do is to install Git if you don't have it installed already. But in my case, I've installed it. Go to this address. I will also link in the description of this video. You install it based on your operating system. Okay, so once you have installed it, go to the files you want to push, open terminal, change the directory to that location where the files reside. Okay, so then after changing the directory, then go back to the GitHub page. So copy these first 3 lines, so highlight and copy, then come back to the command prompt or the terminal, paste it, paste the code, then click on paste anyway, just in case it shows you that. Then you press enter. Now type git add dots. That make sure that there's a space between the add and the dots, then press enter. Then come back to GitHub, copy the last 4 lines, come back to the terminal and paste it. Press enter. So in my case, it's asking me to sign in with my browser. So of course I'll just do that. So click on sign in with browser. Then it opens like in your own, it may not give that. Then sign into the browser just to re-authenticate you. Then I'll say authorize Git ecosystem. Then it sent me an email, so I'll just verify the email. I'll verify the code. It sent me a code, paste it here, then verify. So it comes up like this. So this has successfully been verified. So now it is done. So you see that everything has been pushed. See that enumerating object 8 done, counting object 100% 8/8 done, and so on. Go back to GitHub now, then refresh. Once you refresh, so you see that everything has been pushed. So I hope you find this video helpful. If this video helps you in any way, consider subscribing to this channel if you have not done so already. Like the video and share it. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.